As we already discussed above, dominant body language is an important factor in instilling confidence in others as an effective leader. In order to take advantage of the benefits of utilizing dominant body language, however, you must first understand some dominant body language techniques. In this chapter, you will learn how to make yourself appear larger and taller, using body language to be territorial. Facial expressions of dominance. Dominant greetings. Phallic displays and displays of ownership. Making the body appear larger or taller. Making the body look taller or larger than it actually is not an uncommon body language technique when it comes to displays of dominance. Many creatures still utilize this method in the animal kingdom today, and mankind is no exception. An influential individual may try to appear dominant by utilizing a variety of body language techniques to appear larger or taller, including the following: putting their hands on their hips, standing very tall and straight with the chest puffed out, putting oneself at a higher vantage point than another, being territorial or dominant in position. Territorialism is another form of dominant behavior that can still be found in the animal kingdom. When it comes to our effective leaders, however, when we talk about territorialism, we tend to be talking about more subtle displays. Someone who is trying to appear to be dominant through their body language by being territorial may exhibit the following types of behavior: standing within very close proximity to another person, taking or using someone else's space or items, taking the dominant position, for example at a dinner table, a conference table, or in a photograph. Facial expressions of dominance. Dominance is easily conveyed through facial expressions, a trick that the rest of the animal kingdom is just as tuned into as we are, if not more so. When influential individuals utilize facial displays of dominance, they often rely on the ability of their audience to read their expressions as well as their ability to display them. A communicative leader may express their dominance through their facial expressions by exhibiting the following: maintaining eye contact and holding a gaze for an extended period of time without looking away, pursing of the lips, looking at another individual with a look of boredom. Dominant greetings. Greetings are one of the most commonly utilized elements of body language by influential individuals, and they can say so much. Conveying dominance through a greeting is particularly easy and very noticeable if you know what you are looking for. A dominant, influential individual who is trying to display their dominance through greeting another individual may exhibit the following non-verbal behavior. Cupping an individual's hand with their free hand while shaking hands. Controlling the conversation by asking questions of the other person or by monopolizing the conversation. Maintaining unblinking eye contact while shaking hands. Phallic displays and displays of ownership. Phallic displays and displays of ownership are another more primitive non-verbal behavior that remain a part of the human repertoire, although they are certainly less crude among the members of the human race. Still, these methods of communication still serve as a means of displaying dominance. A dominant leader may exhibit such phallic displays and displays of ownership by doing the following. Exposing the crotch, clothed, while giving a speech or presentation or sitting across from another individual to display dominance. Adjusting the crotch to display dominance. Pulling out an expensive pen during a meeting to exhibit ownership of wealth.